Welcome to Beauty Skin Guideline, your ultimate destination for expert skincare and healthcare tips. We pride ourselves on being your trusted source for comprehensive advice and product recommendations, covering every aspect from skin to lips, eyes, nails, body, and hair care. At Beauty Skin Guideline, we understand the importance of informed choices when it comes to your health and beauty regimen. We meticulously gather insights from top doctors, skincare specialists, and health experts, ensuring that our clients receive guidance rooted in the latest research. Our dedication to staying abreast of emerging trends and breakthroughs enables us to offer you the most effective solutions tailored to your unique needs. Whether you're seeking to enhance your skincare routine, nourish your lips, protect your eyes, strengthen your nails, pamper your body, or revitalize your hair, Beauty Skin Guideline is here to empower you every step of the way. With our curated tips and guidelines, backed by science and expertise, you can embark on a journey towards radiant, healthy, and vibrant skin. Experience the difference with Beauty Skin Guideline, where beauty meets expertise, and your well-being is our priority.